Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss some new questions related to C program. So first of all, I would like to discuss some questions which are already completed in the previous video. So these are the questions which I have completed in the previous video. So if you have covered these questions and you are so confident in these questions, then it is very good. And later, whatever concepts will be understand and whatever concept will be complete, you can understand that concept very well. So if you have not completed these concepts, please go to the previous video and check all the concepts. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to discuss some new concepts. Let us discuss what are these. Actually, in this video, I'm not going to discuss about some new concepts. This is only some theory part that when C language was developed, who was the developer, okay, and what are the features C language have, like these kinds of questions we are going to discuss. Okay, so first questions you have, what is the C programming language and how did it evolve? So what is the C programming language? I think you have this answer because you know that C language is a high-level programming language where a programmer can use English like word to write the program. Right? This is sufficient. This answer is sufficient, not required to remind many things. Okay. Second one is how did it evolve? I mean, who was the developer of a C program? When that developer developed the C program, everything. So C program was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. Okay, so this thing is sufficient also that Dennis Ritchie developed C program at 1972. Okay, so let's see what is the next question. What are the features and advantages and limitations of C? Okay, so what are the features? So if we talk about features, then C program is very easy and simple. Why? Because in C we are using English like words. That means it will be very easy for the programmer to write the program, and even it will be very easy for the programmer to understand that also. If you will be write program by using assembly or machine language, definitely it will be not easy and not understandable by the programmer. Okay. So what are next other features? Now C is a procedural programming language. I know this word procedural is a little bit difficult to understand. Later, whenever we'll be learn programming, then you can understand. Okay. Next features also C supports pointers, dynamic memory allocations. So all the features are available in C. But if I will be try to explain all the concepts now, it will be very difficult for you to understand. Later we'll be understand one by one that what is portable, what is pointer concept, what is dynamic memory allocation. One by one, everything will be complete, and what is procedural programming language, everything. Okay. So what is advantages and what is limitations? So advantages is it's very easy and very simple programming language that anyone can understand, anyone can write. But limitation in C programming, object-oriented concepts are not there. So now the question is in your mind that what is object-oriented concept? Okay, this is also will be discussed in the coming videos. Now I am not going to explain. Only I am just simply presenting in front of you that what are the features, advantages, limitations. If possible, you can remember. Otherwise, not required. Only you have to remember that when C programming was developed, who was the developer, and what is C programming language? This is sufficient for the basic knowledge or foundation knowledge of any programming language. Okay. So in the next question is very, very important. Okay. Next question here I am keeping. What is the basic structure of a C program? Let us, you are going to do coding by using C program. Then how you can start coding? That is very, very important. So for writing any program by using any programming language, there is some predefined rules or there is some predefined syntax. Okay, so that rules you have to follow whenever you will be write any program by using that programming language. So here in C also have some rules or syntax. Syntax and rules are same. So this syntax, these rules you have to follow whenever you will be write the program using C programming. So let us see what is the basic syntax we need to follow or need to remember to write any programming language or a C programming language. So first is C. In C program you have to keep a main method. Okay, so this is called main method. From main method execution will be start. Means we know better if you will be write the program by using C programming language, that cannot be directly understandable by the machine. So compiler is required to convert that C programming language into machine understandable code. Okay, so compiler will be start execution from the main method. So in any program of C, main method is required and it's mandatory, you have to follow. And here main is a keyword, and as it is you have to write. Then the curly braces has started of main method. Inside main method, whatever will be write inside main, inside the curly braces, whatever will be write, that will be compiled by the compiler. Okay, so here I have written something. It may be difficult for you to understand that what is that is printf. Then inside that I have given some braces. Then after I have given double code, and I have written hello world. Everything is a little bit difficult. So whenever you will be execute this program by using your system, you can understand that what is this. Actually, this printf function, this is a function, is used to print anything on the console or on the computer screen. Means if you want to print anything on the computer or console, you have to write that statement inside printf function. Here I have written printf hello world. So it will be print hello world on the console when we will be execute this program. So once my suggestion will be you can use online C compiler, or you can install you can install VS Code. Inside VS Code also you can do coding, C code, C programming. So you have to execute this program either in online compiler or in VS Code, so that you can get the out, you can understand better that how it is actually working. What is main method, what is printf, that I told that if you will be write anything inside printf, that will be print as it is on the screen, it is actually working or not, you have to check it. Then after I have ended the curly braces. So this is the basic structure, means we have to follow to write any kind of C programming code. Okay, so your task is you have to execute this program in online compiler or VS Code and check what the output will become. If you are getting the output hello world, that means you got the correct output. And in the next classes, we'll be start uh, variables, data types, and so many things are there. We will be complete one by one. Okay. So thank you for watching this video.